This question can be found on page 21 of your packet. This is a long one, so you're going to want to make sure that you take some notes on scratch paper, in this case on the side. A sodium-potassium pump within a cell membrane requires energy to move sodium-potassium ions into or out of a cell. So the sodium-potassium pump is active transport because it needs energy. The movement of glucose into or out of the cell does not require energy. Glucose is passive transport. Which statement best describes the movement of these molecules across the plasma membrane? Sodium and potassium ions are moved by active transport. Well, we said that was the case, so this is a possible choice. Glucose moves by osmosis. Sodium-potassium ions move by active transport. Glucose moves by facilitated diffusion. Sodium-potassium move by facilitated diffusion. Glucose moves by osmosis. Sodium-potassium moves by facilitated diffusion. Glucose moves by active transport. So we know we can get rid of D because we said glucose moves by passive transport. Then we need to look at what is osmosis and what is facilitated diffusion. Osmosis is the movement of water without energy. So this would be passive. And facilitated diffusion, the word diffusion should give you a clue here. This is movement with help, but not requiring energy. So again, passive. So, because facilitated diffusion is passive, C is wrong, because we know that sodium-potassium pump is active. It's between A and B, and if we look at it, glucose moves by osmosis, or glucose moves by facilitated diffusion. Is glucose water? And the answer is no, and osmosis is only movement of water. We can get rid of B that way. So we can deduce that B is the answer. Now you may know that glucose is a sugar and it has to move by facilitated diffusion across the membrane. So either way, you would get that one right.